Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I received this package from Ocpud. I want to say thank you to the team for sending me this rechargeable hair styling tool. So inside the box, you have the manual for the device. You have the USB charging cable, a device dust bag, and of course, your device. I choose the color black. I have a wavy type of hair, so let me show you how I use this device to straighten my hair. They have a button wherein to lock and open your device to keep it secure. To turn on the device, you just need to long press the on and off button, and they have the temperature button. It depends on your hair type. I usually use the 165 to 185 degrees temperature, so I'm going to straighten the left side of my hair and show you like how it looks like compared to my right side. And this is the final look. On my left side is a straight hair, and on my right side is my wavy curly hair. I'm pretty satisfied with that device. It's very convenient, travel friendly, and you can also use the device as a power bank. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, and let me know if ever you've tried this brand, and let me know what you think of it. Until next time, bye.